Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum girls. Today we are starting second term syllabus of science, and this topic is the first topic of your second term syllabus, that is plants, forms and its function. This is chapter number 10 of your book. We all know that plants are a major component of ecosystem. They are all around us and we depend upon them for our survival. They are of different shapes, size and show a variety of adaptations. Plants are verified according to difference in height, type of stems, and branching patterns. Thus, they are usually grouped into herbs, shrubs, and trees. We're going to discuss them one by one. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick stem. They have branches arising from upper part of the stem. They are called trees. Their stem branch out and spread above the ground. Example of tree is kava tree, neem tree, mango tree. Shrubs. Some plants have branches arising from the base of the stem. The stem is hard but not very thick. They are called shrubs. The example of shrubs is lemon and rose. Herbs. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. They are usually short and sometimes do not have branches. For example, basil and coriander. Creepers. The stem of some plants are very thin and weak. They either lie on the ground or need support to stand up. They are called creepers and the climbers respectively. Examples of creeper and climber is pea and money plant. Now we're going to discuss structure of plant. Plants can be divided into two systems, root system and shoot system. If you are going to observe the diagram, you will see that the portion that is under the ground, that is your root system, and the portion that is above the ground is shoot system. That includes leaf, flower, fruit, stem, etc. Now we're going to discuss both of them one by one. In today's lecture, we're just going to discuss about the root system. We're going to discuss about shoot system in next lecture. Now, root system. Roots are mostly the underground part of the plant. They absorb water and mineral from the soil. They hold the soil firmly to keep the plant upright. Some roots store food and become plump. Roots are of two types, fibrous roots, taproot. In the taproot system, a single root called the primary root comes out from the seed after germination. Taproots are called true roots. Later, smaller roots called lateral roots branch out from this primary root. Mango, neem, pine, sesame, pea, carrot, radish, turnip, and beetroot are examples of plants in which taproots are found. Fibrous roots, which grow from the base of the stem, have a bushy appearance. These roots are thin and almost equal in size. Grass, maize, wheat, onion, sugarcane, and rice are examples of plants with fibrous roots. Functions of root. The first function of the root is anchoring the plant. Roots help to anchor the plant firmly into the ground. Second one is absorption of water and nutrients from the soil. They help plants to absorb water and nutrients from the soil, which are essential for their survival. Desert plants have relatively longer roots because they penetrate deep into the soil in search of water. Preventing soil erosion. They help to bind the soil particles together, thereby preventing them from being carried away by water or wind. Sometimes roots are modified to perform various other functions like reproduction, nutrition, etc. Your home assignment is to do now you know on page number 89 and 91. The answer of these will be provided to you on WhatsApp image. Thank you so much girls. Allah Hafiz.